multiplication video. Now we're going to use area model. So area model looks like this. When we do 3 times 2, let's say 3 2s, that's 6, right? 4 times 5 is 5 rows. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 20, right? If I have 25 times 3, I have 25 dots this way, and I have 3 rows. Now, instead of drawing dots, I'm going to put them in the box. So 20 and a 5. Imagine I have 20 dots there and 5 dots there. Then I have 3 dots down. I have 20 dots there and 5 dots there, but I have 3 rows of those. Now, here I have 20 dots and 3 rows. So this part is 20 times 3. I have 5 dots here and I have 3 rows. I have 5 times 3 here. So 20 times 3 dots here, that's 60. This is 5 times 3 is 15. When you add them together, this is 75. "34 times 5. So 30 dots, 34, 5 rows. I'll pause the video. Can you try? Let's pause the video. So 30 times 5, imagine 30 dots, 5 rows. This is 150. This is 20. So the answer should be 170 altogether. This is not bad, is it? Now we have 24 times 12. So imagine we have 24 dots this way, 24 dots this way. Then I have 12 rows of dots going down. 12 rows of dots going down. So, can you see I need 20 dots here, 10 rows. So this part here I need 20 lots of 10s. Here I have 4 dots, but 10 rows. I have 20 dots and 2 rows there. This is 4 dots and 2 rows, so that. So 24 times 12 becomes 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 zeros, 200 plus 40 plus 40 plus 8. Plus 8. 288 is the answer. Now your turn. 32 times 25. Let's try the area model. Let's pause it. So 32 is slightly larger, so I'm going to make this box bit longer horizontally. 32, 32, 30 and 2. 25. I'm going to make 20 and 5. Remember, we're talking about dots, but 30 dots, 20 dots. This way, 30 times 20, which is 600. This part is 2 dots and 20 rows, so I need 2 times 20, this is 40. 30 times 5 here is 150. 2 lots of 5s, 10. 600, 150, 40 and 10. 50, that's amazing, that's 800. Good number. Can you think of 2 lots of 2-digit numbers? Can you do it by yourself? Let's try. Let's pick 2 random numbers, 2-digit numbers, then try the area model. Let's pause the video. So we know 24 times 12 is 288. We did it about 2 minutes ago. So this is what we did. 24 times 12, 10 and 2. 20 times 10 is 200. 4 times 10 is 40. 20 times 2 is 40. 4 2s are 8. Right? Traditionally, a lot of people do this way. 2 4s are 8, but this is the most important number here now. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. This is 10, so I'll put the 0 first. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Oh, sorry, 8, 8, 2, 288. Can you see something here? Now, those people who learned lattice with me, this is lattice multiplication. 4 1's 4, 0 4, 4 2's are 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 2's are 4. When you add, underneath there's a diagonal line, 2 diagonal lines, and 2. Can you see a pattern? Can you see similarity? Can you see some numbers somewhere? I'll pause the video. You can write, you can say, you can just think about what you can see on this board. Let's pause the video. Some of you may have realized this 48 can be seen here. I can see 240 and 240 here. So we're doing pretty much the same operation. However, lattice is slightly different, but I can see 48. This seems like this is tens column. 48 is here, and I can see 240 here. This is hundreds column, 240 here. So we're pretty much doing the same thing. Let's see, what did you find out of these 3? Which do you prefer? Which one makes more sense, or which one's easier? I'll pause the video. Maybe you can think, you can pick the easiest one, meaning possibly the more accurate operation, Or which one is really simple? Which one did you find easy to use? So I'll pause the video. So this video is about the area model. The great part of the area model is this actually helps your mental computation. Some of you may be able to do this in your head. Let's do this first. 23 this way, right? 23 times 15. So I'll leave this like this. Let's see if you can do the whole thing in your head. 23 times 15 is, I'll pause the video. You can draw this on the piece of paper. Then see if you can think of what's in here, what's in this box, what's in this box, what's in this box. See if you can add them all together in your head. If you find it difficult, write down these 4 numbers and you can find the answer. Let's see, let's pause the video. How did you go? I wrote these numbers for you. I can see 200, 100, 30 and 15. Is it 345? How about 32 times 23? Can you do it in your head? Can you draw the area model in your head? Then think of the numbers in your head and find out the answer. If you find it difficult, you can draw the box with a little cross. Then if you can see if you can think of the numbers and you can add them together. Or you can actually do area model with pen and pencil and paper. Let's pause the video. So the area model looks like this for 32 times 23. Some of you may want to do addition. 6. 4 plus 9 is 13. 736. Or you can do it in your head from this, or you can do this in your head without these numbers, or you can do this without these numbers at the top and side, or you can draw this in your head and you can find the answer without writing anything. So if you have 3 ways of doing multiplications: algorithm, area model, lattice, you're absolutely equipped. So I'll see you soon.